Hi, and welcome to your very first tutorial in photography. In this tutorial, we will show you how to change different shooting settings on your camera. Turn on your camera by the on-off button beside the mode dial. When the LCD screen comes on, it should start on the first camera mode setting. There are many different shooting modes to choose from, such as manual mode, AV, TV, program, auto, flash off, creative, portrait, landscape, macro, sports, night, and finally movie mode. For these tutorials, we are interested in three modes. The first is AV, or aperture priority mode. In aperture priority mode, you can take control of the aperture while your camera will adjust the shutter speed to create a correct exposure. We will be looking at the aperture priority mode in another tutorial. The second mode we will look at is TV, or shutter priority mode. In shutter priority mode, you can take control of the shutter speed while your camera will adjust the aperture to create a correct exposure. We will also be looking at shutter priority in another tutorial. The third mode we'll be looking at is auto mode. In auto mode, the camera controls all settings to create a proper exposure. We will be using this mode in the next tutorial to help you learn about composition without worrying about what camera settings to use. To use the autofocus on your camera, press the shutter release halfway so your camera can focus and create a proper exposure. When your camera has focused, press the shutter fully to take your photo. To take control of the focus, switch the button on your lens from AF to MF. We will show you this in more detail in the filmmaking tutorials, as we will be using autofocus in the photography tutorials. To change the image quality size in your camera, press the menu button and then press the set button to go into the image quality feature in your camera settings. There are many sizes in which you can shoot in. The larger the pixel sizes, the higher the quality of your image. Remember, the larger the file, the greater the amount of storage it will use on your memory card. To delete images off your card, turn the mode wheel till you get to the yellow section of your menu. Scroll down and select Format Card. If you select OK, the camera will erase all your images on your memory card.